this is exactly where you should be today. This group is small and it's intimate, and we're going to get a lot done.
I thought this event was fantastic.
The energy in the room was amazing.
I've been doing my business for 25 years, but I've never had any type of formal presentation skills, media training like this before.
Today the event was about honing our presentation skills and becoming comfortable and confident in front of a camera.
I wasn't sure what to expect, but once I got here, I felt at ease with the number of people, and then I ended up learning a lot.
We're looking for small things that will make a big difference.
It was very structured, but it was fun.
We started out by Katie telling us some tips to improve our message and improve how we perform on camera.
The goal for this time, though, is to get really clear on what you want to say on camera today, and you're going to need to keep me posted so I can help you.
So we had the morning to not only work on our own messaging, but just kind of get familiar with each other and build that trust.
We then were able to take time to refine our message based on some of that advice.
I enjoyed just kind of getting that feedback and bouncing ideas off of each other while we were preparing our presentations.
All right, and action.
Hi there, joining me today is Kimberly Santera. Thanks for joining us.
Oh, thank you, Katie. Yes, it's really a passion of mine.
And then the third part was practicing in front of camera.
It's also not that often that somebody is intentionally watching you present. You can see yourself on video, and then they are listening to 1 or 2 cycles of an entire message and then giving you direct feedback. That was very valuable.
Of course you have nerves. That's a good thing. Change the narrative in your head that nerves are a good thing.
In the beginning, I felt a little nervous, a little uncomfortable. Yes, it was a little intimidating. But as the day went on, I became more and more comfortable just because we were learning, we were growing, we were practicing, and now I feel great.
All the women were very kind and engaging and just willing to be collaborative, and so that vulnerability really opens up a great opportunity.
Katie provided a very warm, supportive, and coaching environment for us, so I think she made it comfortable, but also we were asked to do some things to get us out of our comfort zone, and I think you kind of have to do that if you want to grow.
She has this way of giving you great feedback and making you feel really good about it.
She approaches everything that she teaches you with acceptance and love and makes you feel comfortable in her presence. She's a fabulous teacher.
You cannot forget your accomplishments. You're not doing anyone any favors. You're providing services and products that's going to change people's lives. If you don't believe it, who's going to believe it?
I have found that I have to continue to remind myself that when you want to get better at something and grow in a certain area, you have to practice it and you have to invest in it and take the time, and I feel like this workshop was an opportunity to do that.
If anyone was thinking about attending one of these workshops, just do it. Don't think about it too long, just sign up and go, because you're going to learn new tools, you're going to gain confidence. It's all the things that you want and need to advance your career.
I feel much more comfortable. Now the camera doesn't bother me.
I feel confident. I feel like Think Temple has taken on a whole new meaning for me now. I wish I had done this 10 years ago.